yourself comfortable and also make yourself relaxed because today we are going to have a very interesting wine tasting workshop. It's organized by my colleague Wincy, and then after the history talk and also a little bit saying the little on, then I will pass the time to Wincy, and she has prepared the PowerPoint and also some interesting sharing with you about the wine tasting. And then may I just have a welcome again to all of you, and then I'm sure most of you is the first time in here. Yeah, and then so as Professor say, you're lucky. Yes, you are. Yeah, because this place is only open to our members only because due to the club license issues, we cannot serve non-member. But we do open the clubhouse for like a charity.
And these are knowledge per se, and nothing else. Right? Or computer sciences, or data science is a great thing right now. No, it's not true. This is knowledge, isn't it? Right? This is deep knowledge. And also a bit of chemistry in it as well. We all know that. So one day, when you guys graduate, step out the campus. The first step you put out, you get nervous. It's not campus anymore, it's not the comfort zone anymore. We want you guys one day when you do go out and work for a company, NGO, academia, your own startup, you always remember this little gathering. Okay? Remember this little gathering as if this is a knowledge beyond knowledge.
Yeah, other than that, you can enjoy the wine. Just open in half and then big front. And then I just use some 牙籤木，知唔知咩叫牙籤木？跟住個殼，跟住之後就慢慢撬翻嗰個殼出嚟咯。咁但係嗰一次我係非常之緊張同埋有手震嘅。係啊，嗰次係最緊張。不過咧，就自從認識咗呢個阿蘇之後咧，我就非常之中意咗佢。
I'm Emmanuel, so same.